Hello, Sudaman. Hello, everyone. In today's episode of German Ki Baat, we are going to do a very basic but yet very important topic. So, today we are going to learn how to ask and tell time in German. This is very basic but yet it is very important. So, if you know the numbers in German, then telling time is quite easy. So, let's get started. There are two ways to tell time in German. First one, offizieller Zeit. Offizieller Zeit, official time. When we tell time using official manner, then we always use 24-hour format. That means once our 12-hour clock finishes, then we start counting 1 p.m. as 13, 2 as 14, and so on. We tell time using this format in official situations, like when you hear announcements at airport or railway station, or you listen to something in radio, then you are always going to use official time. Second one, inoffizieller Zeit. Inoffizieller Zeit, inofficial time. When we tell time using this format, then we always tell the time using 12-hour format. No matter it is AM or PM, it's written in 12-hour or 24-hour format, there is only one way to tell time in official site using 12-hour format. We use this manner when we are having unofficial casual conversations with our friends or family members. But first, let's look at the question which we are going to ask. How to ask time in German? It's very simple. You will just say, wie spät ist es? Ich wiederhole, I'll repeat, wie spät ist es? Or you can use one another alternative and say, wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? So you can use any one of the two questions to ask time in German. First, look at the official site, official manner to tell the timing, in which we always use the 24-hour format. Let's look at a few examples to understand it better. When the time is 1 a.m., then you will simply say, es ist 1 Uhr. Es ist 1 Uhr. If it's 2 a.m., you will say, es ist 2 Uhr. For 3 a.m., es ist 3 Uhr. Let's say the time is 5 a.m. So we will say, es ist 5 Uhr. If the time is 9 a.m., as it is being shown in the clock, then you will say, es ist 9 Uhr. If 10 a.m., then 10 Uhr. If 11 a.m., then 11 Uhr. And if the time is 12 p.m., then you will simply say, es ist 12 Uhr. Now our 12-hour clock has finished. So now, if we get the time as 1 p.m., then we will count 1 as 13 and we will say, es ist 13 Uhr. Ich wiederhole, you get the question, wie spät ist es? Oder wie viel Uhr ist es? You will simply say, es ist 13 Uhr. For 2 p.m. you will say 15 Uhr, 14 Uhr. Here it's 3 p.m. so 3 will be counted as 15 and you will say es ist 15 Uhr. Another thing, in official time we always tell the exact time. How many minutes are there? We are going to tell them exactly. We are never going to round it off. If the time is 8:15, if it's 8:15 a.m., then you will say, es ist 8:15 Uhr. Es ist 8:15 Uhr. But here the time is 8:15 p.m. So 8 will be counted as 20 and we will say, es ist 20:15 Uhr. Es ist 20:15 Uhr. If the time is 7:30 p.m., 7 will be counted as 19 and we will say, es ist 19:30 Uhr. Es ist 19:30. If the clock shows 10:33 p.m., as it is p.m., so 10 will be counted as 22 and we will say es ist 22:33. Es ist 22:33. We will tell the exact time. And if the clock shows 12 a.m., then it is very simple. If it's midnight, you are just going to say es ist 0 Uhr. Es ist 0 Uhr. So that was all about official side. Let's move to unofficial way of telling time. There are a few words which we use while telling time using unofficial manner. Let's see what do these words stand for. We use the words Kurs for 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes. If 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes are more or less than a particular time, then rather than telling exact minutes, we will say Kurs. For 15 minutes, we use the word Viertel. For 30 minutes, we use the word halb. When we want to say that few minutes are less than a particular time, let's suppose 15 minutes to 8. So for that meaning of 2, we will use the word for. And if 15 minutes or any amount of time is more than a particular time, past a particular time, then we will say nach. So these are the few words which we are going to require while telling time using unofficial manner. Let's see a few examples to understand it better. In unofficial manner, we only have one way to tell time, using the 12-hour format. So whether it's 1 a.m. or 1 p.m., you will simply say es ist 1. Es ist 1. For 2 a.m. or 2 p.m., you will say es ist 2. Similarly, if it is 3 a.m. or 3 p.m., you will say es ist 3. Es ist 3. If the time is 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., you will similarly say es ist 8. No matter it's written in 12-hour or 24-hour format, there is only one way, using the 12-hour format in unofficial manner. If the clock shows time as 4:30, whether AM or PM, then you will say es ist 4:30. Yes, we are not going to say 4:30. When it is 4:30, 5:30, 6:30 and so on, we always count it to the next clock timing. What is the next time after 4? It's 5. So es ist 4:30. Halb stands for 30 minutes. It gives the sense of 30 minutes to 5. We are not going to translate this to here, but it gives that meaning. Es ist 4:30. It is 30 minutes to 5. Similarly, if it's 5:30, it will be 5:30. We are always going to count the next clock timing. If it is 9:30, then what's the next time after 9? That is 10. So es ist 10:30. 30 minutes to 10. Es ist 10:30. If the time is 11:30, then only 30 minutes are left for it to become 12. So es ist 11:30. Please take care of this thing while telling time using unofficial manner. If the clock shows 2:15, as you can see here, only 15 minutes are past 2. So es ist Viertel nach 2. Viertel stands for 15 minutes. Nach gives the sense of past. So only 15 minutes past 2. 15 minutes after 2. So es ist Viertel nach 2. Similarly, if the time is 5:15, whether AM or PM, then as you can see, it's only 15 minutes after 5, past 5. So we will say, es ist Viertel nach 5. Es ist Viertel nach 5. But if the clock shows the timing as 8:45, now 15 minutes are left for it to become 9. 15 minutes to 9. So Viertel stands for 15 minutes, 4 stands for 2. So 15 minutes are left for it to become 9. Es ist Viertel vor 9. Es ist Viertel vor 9. Similarly, if the time is 7:45, 15 minutes to 8. So es ist Viertel vor 8. Es ist Viertel vor 8. But if the time is 6:56, as you can see, only 4 minutes are left for it to become 7. So rather than saying 4 minutes to 7, you can say kurz vor 7. Es ist kurz vor 7. Few minutes to 7. Next timing that we have is 8:05. Now only 5 minutes are past 8. So es ist kurz nach 8. You can also say 5 nach 8. That won't be wrong, but we also use kurz for 1 to 5 minutes. So es ist kurz nach 8. If the clock shows timing as 6:20, as we can see, it's just 10 minutes are left for it to become 6:30. And what is 6:30? We have just learned it's halb 7. So es ist 10 vor halb 7. 10 minutes to 6:30. Es ist 10 vor halb 7. If the time is 6:40, now 10 minutes past 6:30, 10 minutes after 6:30. So es ist 10 nach halb 7. What is halb 7? 6:30. So es ist 10 nach halb 7. So if the time is 7:25, then as we can see, only 5 minutes are left for it to become 7:30. And what is 7:30? Halb 8. So es ist kurz vor halb 8. Only few minutes are left for it to become 7:30. So es ist kurz vor halb 8. But if the time is 9:35, now it's 5 minutes after 9:30. And what's 9:30? Halb 10. So es ist kurz nach halb 10. Few minutes past 9:30. Few minutes after 9:30. Similarly, if the time is 1:50, whether 1:50 a.m. or 1:50 p.m., then only 10 minutes are left for it to become 2 o'clock. So es ist 10 vor 2. Es ist 10 vor 2. 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. But if the time is 5:10, now 10 minutes past 5, 10 minutes after 5. So es ist 10 nach 5. Just understand the logic. That in official time, we always tell the time exactly using 24-hour format. And in unofficial manner, there is only one way using 12-hour format, and we try to round it off to the closest time. So that was all about asking and telling time in German. If you still have any doubts, feel free to write us in the comment section and we will be happy to answer it for you. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and make sure you subscribe to our channel German Ki Baat. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of more such videos. Vielen Dank!